You know the way you can store contacts on your phone so that when next you want to call them, you don't need to type the number all over again. You just need to just click on the contact name and be able to call them. Do you know that you can also store crypto addresses? You know, crypto addresses are really long and you can't cram those phrases, and they are just mix of letters, words, and some random phrases or some random letters, all right, and numbers. So you don't, most times we send crypto to the wrong address because we just don't understand those numbers. On metamask they have a feature where you can actually store contacts name, like people you frequently send coins to. You don't need to request them to send their address all over again. You just need to store the address and then send them your crypto without having to copy and paste it all over again. Okay, so let me just show you how that works right now. Simply what you have to do is go to your metamask right here. When we get to metamask, okay, we allow it to load up, enter your security passcode, and all right, metamask. So once it's up like this, okay, what I'm trying to talk about is you want to send token right here. Let's say you click on send and then you see someone's name like this. All right, I just need to tap on my name and then I'm able to send. Okay, now this is what you need to do. Now you click on the menu bar right at the top. Is it top left hand side? That's this. Click there. So we'll click there, scroll all the way down to settings. You click on settings. Okay, settings. Then the next thing you want to click on is experiment. The next thing you want to click on is contact. That's this contact right here. So let me tap on contact. Now you can see the first name I set right there. Okay, so now I'm going to save a contact right here. So what I need to do is to get the address I want to save as a contact. All right, so I have to go to my Trust Wallet. Okay, I'm going to enter my passcode right there. Let me choose another address altogether. Click donation. All right, click on smart chain. So if you all see this and you want to send me some coin, you can scan my smart chain. Thank you in advance. So I'm just going to copy this address right here, come to my metamask, click on add contact, then tap on the paste button, paste it there on the address section, then click on rename it. Okay, let me call it BarinuaTradex donation. All right, so since this address does not contain any memo, it's not like token that requires memo while sending. There's no need to add any memo section. You can just click save, click add contact. So I've successfully added that contact. So I can go back to my account right now. So if I want to send a token, yeah, but before you go on with this particular video, what I plead you do for me right now is to click this particular button you're seeing right here that says subscribe. Click on it, subscribe. No, don't go here, don't go here. That's not all. There's a bell beside it. That's this particular bell right here. Click on it and then click on all. Click on all. Yeah, you're done. So you can proceed with this video right now. Once I tap on the send button, so whenever I want to send token, I just need to tap on the contact, okay, BarinuaTradex, and it's automatically just in. Click on next, and then I could enter the amount I want to send. Okay, let's say 0.001, and then once I click next, I could just, once I click send, it's gone. All right, so that's how to add a contact to your metamask wallet. So you could add as many contacts as possible. Okay, remember this one, the recently sent is just there. Okay, and then this, your metamask will automatically just arrange it according to the letter. The one that has A will come first, then before the names that start with B. And if you have so many contacts, let's say you pay your workers through cryptocurrency, or you have people that you regularly exchange with or regularly send tokens to, okay, you could just store your contact this way, so you won't have to go through the stress of copying and double checking. All right, so subscribe for next video, like this video. Thank you. So you want to hit that subscription button right now, subscribe, and see you in my next video. All right.